Hey, what's up guys? So in this video here, you see I have an improvised design, and I have folded this from a crease pattern, and then I have played around with the finished model, adding and changing the creases around, as you can see. And when I feel like the alteration of the design looks good, then the next step would be to convert this to a digital file, or in this case I'll be updating a pre-existing crease pattern. So I have a blue pen for the valley folds and a felt tipped green for the mountain folds, and this helps distinguish which is which once the piece of paper is scanned onto the computer. So when you're done with this, you just want to flatten a sheet, spray lightly with some water in a spray bottle. You can get these at any food store, or most stores have these bottles. And then just take your regular clothing iron and flatten it down. Remember to have something underneath the paper, as well as you don't want to use the clothing iron for something else afterwards, so don't use your favorite one that you use for your clothes. Maybe just get an alternative. And then when you have the nice flat sheet, just put in your scanner and scan it in. So this video is a bit accelerated, it's a bit fast, we won't be going into everything, but just the essential part is I place the scanned layer underneath, I drop the opacity, and then I'll be changing the lines, the crease lines in Illustrator. I find Illustrator works best for me for freeform lines. And now with the blue and green, it's quite easy to see. And then when finished, you just want to copy the layer, flip it horizontally, and join it. And this way you'll get a perfect copy on the left side and the right side. And then I bring it in Photoshop, I size it down to 98%, and then print it out. And then the process begins again by embossing, pre-creasing, and folding it together. And I would be repeating this process anywhere from 2, 3, 5 to 20 times, changing the crease pattern until I feel it's finished. The nice thing about this is I can use previous designs and change the crease pattern on them. So it's like the crease patterns, they're never finalized, they're always evolving. And I'll just bring the alteration into the computer and change the vector file. And if you like, you can add some color. I think this is one of the fun parts of folding, is adding some color to the finished design. This is how you can make it unique. So if you fold one of my pre-existing designs, you can experiment with color and just, maybe you want lighter colors, more vibrant colors, or more laid back colors, just however you feel suits you. And that's pretty much just it. The color here is still wet, that's why it's glossy. When it's dry, it becomes a bit more matte. But it's Matana cans I'm using in this video. This is my wall of origami sketches and finished designs. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little insight into the process. If you haven't already, hit the like button. This helps the algorithms. And subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.